In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade gold on Tradovate. We'll walk through picking the right gold futures contract, making sure your data is live, turning on chart trading, and placing an order with a built-in stop loss and take profit using either the chart or the depth of market, also known as the DOM. First, confirm you have an active CME market data subscription. Without it, quotes may be delayed or not stream in real time, which makes precise entries and exits difficult. If prices aren't updating smoothly or you see delayed indicators, that's a sign to check your subscription status in your account settings and make sure CME data is enabled for futures. Next, choose the gold futures contract that fits your account size and comfort. GC is the standard gold futures contract, offering the largest exposure. EMGC is the micro gold contract, which is a smaller, more accessible way to trade the same market. QO is the E-mini gold contract, sitting between the two. The key idea is the larger the contract, the bigger the dollar movement per tick. So pick the one that aligns with your risk tolerance and typical stop size. Open a chart or a DOM for the symbol you selected. The chart is great for visual traders who want to see levels, trend lines, and indicators. The DOM lists prices vertically with buy and sell liquidity, making it fast to place precise limit or market orders. Both are valid. They just present the same market in different ways. On the chart, enable chart trading. In Tradovate, this toggle allows you to place orders directly from the price graph, which is ideal for bracket orders. When chart trading is on, your order buttons and quantity fields become available right on the chart. On the DOM, order entry is already interactive by clicking the price ladder. Set your stop loss and take profit before you submit the order by using a bracket configuration. A bracket ties your entry to an automatic protective stop and a profit target, so the moment your trade fills, risk and reward are defined. Choose distances that reflect your plan and the volatility of the contract you're using. When you're ready, click Buy if you want to go long or Sell if you want to go short. On the chart, you can use the Buy or Sell buttons, or click at a price level to place a limit order. On the DOM, click on the price ladder to set your desired entry. Double-check quantity and that the bracket is attached, then confirm. Once filled, sign your position and its bracket will display on the chart or DOM. Manage your trade according to your plan, and remember that futures are leveraged products. Trade thoughtfully and stay disciplined.